12:25 here on President's Day on Monday, and it is going to be a cloudy President's Day and maybe not much sun for most of the week coming up. If you love clouds, this may be a good week for you. It doesn't appear to be a whole lot of sun for at least a few days. Cloudy skies and still fairly cool temperatures today. We probably won't be getting much above the low 60s anywhere. A little bit of rain around, even though rain chances are kind of high, especially later tonight, where a lot of places will see some rain. A little, I mean, not much. If you need some water on your lawn, you won't be getting much out of the rain tonight. Maybe a few hundredths or a tenth of an inch in some areas. A warmer weather probably is going to hold off until about Friday. That's probably the next day we'll see temperatures hit 80 degrees or warmer. But until then, a lot of days probably in the 60s the next several afternoons. Satellite radar shows lots of clouds around the area. They're thickest in the lower valley and near the coast, and that's where the drizzle is. You get farther away from the coast toward Hidalgo and Starr counties, and the clouds are a little thinner. The clouds are a little higher off the ground, and you're not getting the drizzle. But near the coast, over eastern Cameron and Wolsey counties, there's some drizzle out there. Even where the green's not showing up inland here, there's a little bit of drizzle once in a while over parts of Cameron, eastern Wolsey counties, and along the coast around Port Isabel and South Padre Island. But most of it's offshore. Rain chances, if you kind of put it in graph form here, around 20% this afternoon, but that's mainly along the coast, and then we keep going up a little bit overnight. So probably if you do get some very light rain and drizzle, it will be overnight tonight. And when you wake up tomorrow morning, be a little bit of water in your car, put some spots on it. And then the rain chances kind of drop off tomorrow, but there still could be a couple sprinkles during the daytime tomorrow. But overall, even if you add up all that rain, you'll see on one of these maps coming up, it's probably not going to be very much. Temperatures mostly right around 60. It's a cooler 57, though, in Weslaco, 61 in Brownsville. And the winds, you know, it's cool, but there's not a lot of wind to make you feel too much cooler. A little breeze over Cameron and Wolsey counties, about 10 to 15 miles per hour, but lighter winds the farther west you go, and very light or almost calm winds in Starr County. Future track does show a lot of clouds all through this afternoon. And again, doesn't show much rain in here, but occasionally there's a little bit of that misty, drizzly stuff at times, especially near the coast. And then by tonight, you see still fairly dry weather, but a little bit of sprinkles or light rain pop up once in a while. But again, you see very little on the screen. And then tomorrow, still a lot of clouds. That means another cool day. You might see a few showers begin to break out. I think if there is a time period when you have a little more than just drizzle, maybe some very, very light rain showers. We're talking probably tomorrow night into Wednesday. We could have some light rain showers come through on Wednesday. So you may actually get a little more added up in the rain gauge on Wednesday. But then that moves away. And then Thursday, we're still looking at Wednesday night into Thursday, still some clouds around and maybe a couple of little rain showers in the morning, but Thursday probably will be another cloudy day in most of the valley as well. And in terms of rainfall amounts through today and tomorrow, again, this is what I mean by not expecting much. Look all the way through tomorrow morning. It shows amounts no greater than just a couple hundredths of an inch or so. And by tomorrow evening and tomorrow night at 11 p.m., still rainfall amounts total today and tomorrow shows just a few hundredths of an inch. So again, we're not going to get much rain out of this, but a lot of places may see a couple drops, but you know, not much is going to moisten up the ground. So today, highs near 60 degrees, cloudy and cool, some spotty light rain showers and sprinkles, especially later this evening and tonight. Down to 55 degrees, scattered very light rain showers tonight. You know, you use the term showers. Sometimes you think, well, maybe it'd be a nice little soaking rain, but no, just mainly drizzle and sprinkles. And then the first 1-5, your AccuWeather first 1-5 7-day forecast. 60 today, 63 tomorrow, 64 on Wednesday. Clouds most of the time. We show a little break in the clouds there Tuesday. That might be dreaming of that. There might be a few holes in the clouds tomorrow afternoon, but probably clouds most of Tuesday and Wednesday, and even most of Thursday, keeping temperatures in the 60s. Finally, by Friday, you see we could break out the highs around 80, and Saturday may be very warm, kind of like last weekend. We get a couple of warm days. It might hit 90 in the upper valley, but another cold front should bring some cooler weather by Sunday. We'll keep tracking it on your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.